A very good day to you all children. Welcome to our digital learning. Children, today we will learn subject mathematics, topic multiplication preparation. This is the continuing part of this lesson. Children, take out your mathematics textbook, page number 69. Children, in our previous lecture, we have learned what is multiplication. Multiplication means repeated addition. And instead of adding the same number again and again, we can use multiplication. And this is the symbol of multiplication. The symbol is also called as into. Here we are having one box, and this box is carrying some blocks. Let us count how many blocks this box is carrying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Box carry 5 blocks. Now children, if we will take more 2 boxes of such a type, so can you tell me how many total number of blocks we are having here all together in all 3 boxes? Can we count one by one? No. So what we will do? If you observe this, each box is having the same number of blocks. In this box we are having 5 blocks, and in the second box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this box also we are having same, and in the third box also. So to find out the total number of blocks of all these 3 boxes, what we have to do? We have to do addition of all these boxes. You have to add 5 plus 5 plus 5 3 times. You have to add 3 times 5. So what is 5 plus 5 children? 10. And what is 10 plus 5? 15. So the total number of blocks in all 3 boxes, we are having 15. Can you observe children that it will take more time to add the same number again and again. So we can find the easier way. If you see, you have to add the number 5 3 times here. So I will take the help of multiplication. 3 times 5 in the place of times. Times means multiplication. So 3 times 5. This is the sign of multiplication. If you observe that, we have to take the help of 3 times table. Here we are having 3 times table. 3 5s are. We want 3 5s are. So what is 3 1s are? 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. And 3 5s are 15. The same answer we got by multiplication. So what do you mean by that, children? Yes. If you want to add the same number again and again, you can use the multiplication also instead of adding the same number again and again. So what we conclude that with this example, children? Yes. Instead of adding again and again same number, we can multiply the number of times with the number of groups. Here we are having 3 groups or 3 boxes. and each box is carrying 5 blocks. So we have to multiply number of boxes with the number of blocks each box carry. Then you will get the total number of blocks of all 3 boxes. So what we conclude that multiplication means repeated addition. Children, see here. In this example, we are having one shelf, and in this shelf we are having some balls. Here in the first shelf I am having 1, 2, 3, 4 balls. And in the second shelf 1, 2, 3, 4. More 4 balls. In the third shelf 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the fourth shelf 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the fifth shelf 1, 2, 3, 4. See children, in each shelf we are having the same number of balls. So to find out the total number of balls, what we will do? We have to do addition. So how to do addition? By adding 4 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because we are having 5 shells here. We have to add 4 5 times. So can we do this? Can we add 4 5 times? It is easy to do that, children. No, it will take more time to solve by adding the same number again and again. So what we will do? We will take the help of multiplication, because multiplication is a repeated addition. So what we have to do first? First you have to find out how many balls each row has or each shelf has. So we will write here number of balls each shelf is equal to 4. And what we will need? How many shelves do we have here? How many times we have to add 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So how many rows? The total number of shelf or total shelf is equal to 5. So we can write, we have to add 4 times 5. Thus, instead of adding 4 5 times, we will do multiplication. 4 multiplied by 5. So what is 4 5s are? 4 5s is 20. So what will be the answer of this addition? It will be same as this multiplication, because repeated addition means multiplication. If you want, instead of adding again and again, we save our time by doing multiplication. As we have learned that multiplication means repeated addition, instead of adding the same number again and again, we can use multiplication. Here is the exercise related to multiplication. Here they gave you to write as multiplication. Means here you can see they have given us repeated addition numbers that you have to convert into multiplication form. Let us do, children. The first question is 2 is added how many times, children? Yes, 1, 2, 3 times. 2 is added 3 times. So what do you mean by that? 2 3 times. So how to write that? The number which is repeated you have to write first, and how many times it repeated? 1, 2, 3 times. So in the second box we have to write the number repeated how many times. In the next question, 3 is added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It means that 3 you have to add 3 5 times. So what I will write here, children? Yes, which number is repeating? 3. And how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So we will write in the second box 5 times. Means 3, if you have to add 3 5 times, you can use 3 multiplied by 5. Here in the next question they gave you to write as addition. Means you have to do the opposite way of this question. Here they have given you the multiplication form and you have to convert in addition form. So what do you mean by 5 multiplied by 4? The first number that is given, that must be repeating. Means 5 is repeating how many times? 4 times. So what we will write here? 5. Then how many times we have to add? 5. 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 means 4 multiplied by 4 means this total is equal to 5 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 20. Remember, children, in the first number in the multiplication equation, the first number will be the number which is repeating, and in the second part of the multiplication, the how many times it's repeating. Here see, tell me which number is repeating again and again? The first number, means 3 will repeat here in this addition, repeated additions equation. And how many times is repeating? 6 times. So we will write here 3 is repeating how many times? 6 times. So we will write 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 6 times. I hope, children, you understood this concept of repeated addition. Now, children, we have understood how to convert the addition form into multiplication form and multiplication form into addition form. Now, in the next question, you have to write the proper number in the boxes. With the help of this equation question, we can understood the concept of multiplication in a better way. Read the question properly first. The addition of the number 3 taken 4 times means, what do you mean by that, children? The addition of number 3 means which number is repeating in addition? 3. 3 you have to write 3 in the addition sum and taken as 4 times. Means how many times 3 is repeating? 4 times. So it means that the addition of 3 you have to taken for 4 times. Means 3 times you have to add, 4 times you have to add 3. And what is the multiplication form of this addition? Yes, 3 times 4. Why we have written 4? Because 3 is repeating 4 times. Like that, children. Do the next sum. The addition of the number 2 taken 5 times. I hope you understood this, that you have to add 2 5 times. So what we can write in addition form, that 2 you have to add 5 times again and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And what is the multiplication form of this addition? Yes, 2 is repeating 5 times. And both will give you the same answer. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 plus 2 will give you 10. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 will become 8, and 8 plus 2 will be 10. And what is 2 5s are? Yes, you have to write the 2 timetable here. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and what is 2 5s are? 2 5s are 10. So we will write here 10. So what we conclude that, children? That in both the pattern you are getting the same answer. Means if you have to add the same number in a number of times, you can use multiplication. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel.